Okay, jerks, I got about 1.5 pounds of bonita fillets right here. Long, skinny, fishy strips, my favorite. I like to pat them down with a paper towel just so they're more dry, and then they absorb the oil and the spices stick to the fish better. Now put the strips into the bowl that you're going to marinate these in. Okay, first thing we're putting in is Cajun seasoning. You can use any Cajun seasoning you want. But remember to season to taste. I don't know how much you guys like, so put however much you think you would like. Next, we're going to put in some Earl. This happens to be olive Earl. Now for the secret ingredient. We're putting in brown sugar, and what this is going to do is make the fish nice and sweet and almost caramelize it. And you don't have to go crazy with this sugar. You could just put some in. If you want it to be way sweeter, well, then put in a bunch more. And the next ingredient is going to be green onions. We put these in the marinade just to give it a little kick. You feel me? The next ingredient for our marinade is going to be garlic. I put in a lot of garlic. You don't have to put in this much, but that's how much I like to put in. And there you have it, Jerk Squad. You already know this is going to be so good. Alright, now, stick your hand in there, and then you want to mix everything around. There you have it, all ready to marinate. I'm going to throw this in the fridge for about an hour or so. You don't even have to marinate this. You could just throw it right in the pan and cook it if you want to. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is get about 3 bell peppers, and you're going to punch them until they turn into nice little slices. Just like that. Now the reason we're doing this is to make almost a shelf for the fish to sit inside of this pan. I hate when I put fish in a pan and you cook it for a long time and it sticks to the pan. So these bell peppers are going to act as an elevator for them, and they are going to elevate them off of the pan. And you can eat them when you're done. Alright, there you go. I'm going to lay the fish on top of these so they don't burn and stick to the pan. Okay, I have the fillets out of the fridge ready to put in the pan. Alright, there you have it, guys. That is the plated fish ready to cook. I like to put all of the garlic and the onion on top of the fish before you cook it, just so it soaks in while it's cooking. Ooh, this is going to be so good. Let's go put it in the oven. Alright, into the oven. Time to cook. If you're watching this video on your cell phone right now, turn it sideways and get ready to take a screenshot. And boom. There you go. I hope this helps you guys. I want to do this in all my cooking videos, so that way you guys can just screenshot the recipe and then watch the video how it's done. Boom, do it yourself. If you're watching this, make sure you subscribe, because I'm doing cool stuff to make your life easier. Alright, let's get back to jerking and eating. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to cook it for about 35 minutes, because I want the fish to be like a little bit crispy. Alright, the fish is complete. Let's pull it out, see what we're working with. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that is nice and crispy, just how I wanted it to. There you go. Fresh bonito from the ocean, cooked to perfection. Alright, there we go, Jerk Squad. Let's look inside this meat real quick. Ooh, look at that meat. Oh, that looks so good. If you've been around the channel for a while, you already know what it's time for. I'm not going to say what it's time for, but go down in the comments and let them know what it's time for. I'm not even going to say it. I'm going to let you guys blow it up in the comments. This fish is fresh bonito that I caught at Catalina Island. I'm going to put that video down in the comments. I'm going to pin it at the top so you can watch it if you want and see how I caught this fish. I'm also going to leave the Perch merch store down in the description, so make sure you guys cop some Perch merch. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome recipes. Let's try this fish. Alright, here's my first bite right here that I'm taking. The crust on the fish is almost like caramelized a little bit because I cooked it a little extra long, so let's see how it turned out. You betcha. Wow. That is so good. Wow. Just nice white meat. Oh my god, this is so good. Sweet Cajun fish. This is amazing. And then at the bottom you got your perfectly cooked bell peppers, and they got a little bit of season to them from the fish. Excellent. Oh my god, I can't stop eating this. This is so good. Alright. Remember, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to go catch some fish here soon, so stay tuned. We'll be back with more fishing, more food. Let's go, guys. Alright. See you later, Jerk Squad.